Welcome to Parkour 360. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. From safety landing techniques to vaulting over obstacles and conquering advanced tricks and flips, you'll never have to get lost searching for new skills ever again and spend more time learning parkour every day. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest, where we post 3 challenges from beginner to pro for you to go out and complete, upload them onto the community, and get feedback during our live Q&A sessions. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot maps with new locations updated frequently, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free, and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard, and play differently. Let's go.